How to fix gold note not showing on Instagram. Now without any further ado, let's get started. If you're not able to have gold notes on Instagram, there might be some problem with the application. So first of all, you have to make sure that the Instagram application is updated in your device. To update the application, you have to open up the Play Store. And from the search bar, type in Instagram. After you search for it, if your application is missing out any updates, you will have update option where I have open. Tap on update, and once the application is updated, open up and check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still doesn't help you, now the next thing that you have to do is open up settings in your mobile device, and from settings tap on apps. Then tap on see all apps. Now from here navigate to top right corner and tap on the search icon. And in the search bar, search for Instagram and then tap on it. Once you get to app info page of Instagram, scroll down a bit and then tap on storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove all the junk file of Instagram from your device, and which will remove the glitches of application as well. Clearing the cache also helps to fix some kind of box and error in application. After that, go back and navigate to permissions. Here, make sure you have allowed all the permissions on Instagram. If that's not allowed, tap on it and then tap on allow. Once you have allowed all the permissions, now go back, restart your device and then open up Instagram, and then your problem will be solved and you can now have gold notes on Instagram. So these are the way to fix gold note not showing on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.